Hey guys, how are you going? So today is a very special day and we are going to unbox our favorite eGurukul notes. So I think you people must be as excited as I am to unbox it, and let me show you something very exciting. This time the notes have come up with one more reason for you to smile in this pandemic times. Can you see? It's very interesting. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे notes लगते हैं, नाम है eGurukul notes. And how many of you are the big fans of Shah Rukh Khan? See here, it's a gift for you. So eGurukul notes से पढ़ने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. So let's get started and we'll begin with it. And I think you should also start unboxing with me. This is the very important moment where we are going to see our eGurukul 2.0. So guys, look at the beautiful collection of our eGurukul notes, right from physiology, and then we have got two part of ophthalmology. We have orthopedics, dermatology, forensic medicine, and believe me, they will ace your preparation like anything. So guys, look at the eGurukul notes. They comes in a handy, soft copy, easy to carry, and your perfect partner and friend in your NEET PG preparation. So look at the amazing quality of the notes. You can see the beautiful fonts here along with the colored diagrams, and you have got a very good active space where you can add on your notes. So these notes contains actually 95% or even more of our videos. So these notes I think will boom your preparation and ace your preparation like anything. You have got previous year recall questions also here. Then we have got a lot of active space where you can add on. So you can easily see beautiful notes here, which are covering more than 95% of your video lectures. It includes the previous year recall questions, and you can easily browse at a faster speed with the help of these timestamps. So previously we had got this report that timestamps are important and we have really worked hard, and this time we have given you these timestamps that will help you save your time and easily browse with the help of your these timestamps. So you can also see that we have added the hand drawn diagrams, and with the help of these diagrams you can easily relate. Sometimes when you are not able to draw the diagrams yourself, looking at these diagrams, it's becoming really easy to comprehend the picture in your mind. Along with these, we also have the 3D pictures of the same diagram. So along with this, you also have the 3D diagrams with the help of which you can easily compare the two, and now you have the clearer picture of the definite section. You will get the digital handwritten fonts which will again help you to read the stuff finely and very high speed. Now you also have these active spaces. We all know that you want to personalize your notes. We all know that you want to personalize your notes. That is why we have given you this active space which will help you to personalize your notes and also help in your last minute revision. The images are available in 2x full HD resolution that will again help you to have the real-time experience with your images and the subject. You can easily revise now with the help of these notes, as all the important points are being highlighted. Now you can see we have also given a very special feature. If you look at the notes here, you also have the clinical case discussions. So along with your reading, you can now revise and feel the actual clinical case discussions that you are going to get in your examinations, And right along with this clinical case, explanation part has also been given. Again, we have got an active space where you can add on if any information you want. So there are a number of clinical case discussions, related pictures, their explanations, which will help you in doing the MCQ part as well. And as you know that now you will have more and more clinical case scenarios. So this will help you like anything. We have the actual timestamps also, so that if you feel like you can go back to your app and look at the explanation also. Along with this, we also have given you a lot of integrated lectures, which is the need of the hour. So see here, we have ophthalmology with pathology, ophthalmology with PSM, ophthalmology with medicine, ophthalmology with pharmacology, ophthalmology with surgery, ophthalmology with psychiatry, ophthalmology with gynecology, ophthalmology with microbiology. Along with this, there are also the topics and the notes about the clinics. You have got notes about the contact lenses, the Amsler grid, then you have instruments, keratometry, biometry, this is the keratometer, the perimetry part, the real-time pictures which help you in identification, along with the examination also. We know that now more and more questions are focused on your practicals and the instrumentation, so that part has also been covered. There are also smart color codes that help in organizing and rapid reviewing of important information, like we have the definitions in the black color, mechanism of actions and pathogenesis in blue color, diagnosis and investigations in purple color, and then the treatment in green color. So I think this is a very, very innovative and unique way of remembering the clinical topics. So guys, one thing is always sure that notes are a perfect companion for anyone preparing for NEET PG or NEXT or FMG. And if you are getting these notes in this style with unique color coding, HD diagrams, then kya kehna? I think this is a perfect friend for your NEET PG preparation, where you are getting the dual notes also by our medicine faculties. So I wish you all the best, and you have the best of your time with eGurukul notes and come up in flying colors.